latest version of the Dimensioning and Tolerancing Standard, ASME Y145-2018, is here. If you are having any trouble falling asleep at night, I highly recommend you pick up your own copy and start to read it. However, if you're like me and you came here to get your job done, then you came to the right place. I will explain to you what has changed in 2018, what has been added, what has been removed, what changes have been made, and most importantly, which ones are most important to pay attention to. The course objectives are on the screen. In this one-day live class or 2 half-day sessions for the online class, I'll explain to you what has changed. The first change I address is a change to the default stabilization procedure for planar datum features. I'll explain what the old procedure is, what the new one is, and when it matters to you. The new standard has a few added tools. There's a from-to symbol within profile. There's a dynamic profile symbol. You'll be able to apply and properly interpret both of those symbols. A few of the geometric controls have been removed. You may have heard that symmetry and concentricity have both been retired. I'll present some alternatives to those geometric controls. There are many tweaks and clarifications to definitions and fundamental rules in the standard. Some of the changes addressed unanswered questions from the 2009 version. In some cases, practices that were common assumptions are now written into the standard that way. If you made the same assumptions, then there's no change to your practice. There have been many changes to fundamental rules and numeric tolerances. I'll explain what they are and help you to gain a deeper appreciation for the exactness of the standard and what the standard is trying to achieve. Throughout the day, this training gives us a great opportunity to reinforce and strengthen your understanding of these basic GD&T principles.